Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create your photo to become a video, and also it will give you the high five twin. Is that interesting, right? So don't go anywhere and let's get into this tutorial. So the first step you need to do is install this PixVerse. If you are the user of Android phone, then you can download or install it first from the Play Store, or if you are the user of iPhone or the iOS, then you can install it first from the App Store. And we will going to the PixVerse since we have installed it over here. And also don't forget to do the login first, so this application will earn you the credit to do the action over here. And as you can see, these are the template, and this is the home page that show you the several creation from another user. And since we would like to create the twin effect, then we will use the effect over here, high five emoji twin. Then we will use this template and make sure that there are several credits left. And as you can see, since this effect only need the 20 credit, and since we still have 1660 credits over here, then it will be still enough to do this creation. And let's get created. Click create, and it will allows you to wait for this generation from this application first, and you can also explore more to know about the another creation. And as you can see, this is the notification up there that our video is ready to use. Let's see the result. This is the twin actually, and give the high five. There you go. It is really funny and it is worth to try. Don't forget to try it by yourself into your device and let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for this channel to watch another more videos. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.